Hi, boys and girls. Miss Silva here to do the science with us today. We're going to continue learning about different types of animals. Yesterday, we learned about mammals and birds. Today, we're going to learn about reptiles, amphibians, fish, and insects. I shared this awesome page with you. It's National Geographic Kids. And when you come here to animals, you see how it has a little animal paw print? You can see all the different types of animals. Mammals, we talked about yesterday, right? Oh, cute. And we can see all the different types of mammals. And if you want to learn more, you can click on the picture and it will show you more about that animal. So we learned about mammals yesterday, right? Oh, there are a lot of mammals. And we learned about birds. Look how cute the penguins. So here you can see all the different types of birds. And now today we're going to talk about reptiles, amphibians, insects, and fish. So check out this reptile. Reptiles are cold-blooded vertebrates. Vertebrates means they have backbones. They have bones in their back, just like us. But that's about where the similarities end, right? Because they have dry skin covered with scales or bony plates, and they usually lay soft eggs. So alligators are reptiles, anacondas are reptiles, all kinds of snakes are reptiles. This chameleon is a reptile. Some turtles are reptiles. So as you can see, we have a lot of different types of reptiles. Ooh, the Komodo dragon is a reptile. So if you want to learn more about each animal, you can come in and click and see lots of different types of pictures. Okay, and now we're going to read about amphibians. Amphibians are animals that live on land and in water. So they can live in both the water and on land. Most have smooth, damp skin. So when you touch them, they feel a little wet. Amphibians usually hatch from eggs in the water. Then they move to land when they are adults. Frogs and salamanders are amphibians. Let's see what else are amphibians. Oh, there's a frog. A toad. Ooh, the Mexican oxalotl, however you say that word. And salamanders are amphibians. So, an animal that hatches eggs in the water and it lives in the water and on land. Those are amphibians. Now we're going to talk about fish. Fish are animals that live underwater, right? Fish can't live on land at all. Many of them have scales. They also have fins that help them swim. Fish have gills that help them breathe. So we breathe with our lungs, through our mouth and our nose. Fish breathe through their gills. That's how they can breathe underwater. So again, we can come here, we can look at fish, and we can see all the different types of fish out there. And we can learn a little bit more about each one. Ooh, a blue marlin, a bull shark. Oh, look, it's Nemo, the clown, and no, anemone fish. I can't say that right. Anemone. I can't say it. Electric eel. Ooh, he is scary. That's called a goblin shark. Great white sharks. So all kinds of sharks we see here, they're fish, right? What about the stingrays? Those are fish. Puffer fish. Ooh, look at his teeth. A seahorse. So we have all different types of fish. And now let's move on to insects. Insects are animals that have 3 body parts. They also have 6 legs. Most insects lay eggs. Ants and butterflies are both insects. Spiders are not insects because they have 8 legs. Spiders are their own species. Oh, they don't have insects here. Maybe they have them as invertebrates. Oh, yes. So they're calling them invertebrates here. So if you come to the one that's before fish, it starts with in. This is what they're calling some insects. So insects are grouped in with a different kind of animal here, but ladybugs are insects, right? A honeybee is an insect, a butterfly, a moth, ooh, a mosquito. So we have lots of different types of insects, a scorpion, oh, a tarantula, a termite. Has anyone seen one that looked like this? It looks like a leaf. It's called a stick insect. Insects are probably Miss Silva's least favorite. So now for homework, when we're done reading and checking out this fun website where we can see about all different types of animals, we're going to come on a piece of paper or in a journal and we're going to draw a picture of a reptile and label it. So if you're going to draw, let's see, you're going to draw the anaconda. I want you to draw the picture and label next to it anaconda reptile. And then you're going to pick an amphibian. And if you pick an amphibian to draw, you should write on top amphibian and then write what it is. Is it a toad? Is it a bullfrog? Then we're going to pick a fish and you're going to write and draw a picture of a fish. Pick one of these fish here. You could draw a bull shark. You could draw the little clownfish like Nemo. And you're going to write fish, and then you're going to write clownfish next to it, or electric eel. And when you're done, oh, there's one more. We're going to do insects. So we have to do 4 different types, right? Reptiles, amphibians, fish, and insects. Draw a picture of an insect and label it. So if you were to draw a butterfly, you would write insects, draw the picture of the butterfly, and then you draw a line next to it and say butterfly. Remember, spiders are not insects because they have 8 legs. All right, boys and girls, I hope this helped. Make sure to check out National Geographic. It has all kinds of amazing videos and fun things. They even have games to play. So I hope you have fun exploring here about different types of animals. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you at 2 o'clock.